Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more helpful guides on all things tech, travel and tutorials. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the process of cancelling your RyanAir flight. So whether your plans have changed or you just need to know how it's done, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Alright, so first things first, of course log in into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Enter your email and password. After that, click on your account, then go to Manage Bookings button. In this section you can find, so in here in this section you can see the list of all your upcoming flights. Alright, now one more step, click on Find My Booking, and in here you will need to basically insert your information. So in this case it's going to be reservation number and email address. Then you will be able to click on the Retrieve Your Booking button and you will see the information about the flights. And also, before you proceed, remember that RyanAir generally doesn't allow cancellations for standard bookings. They have a strict no refunds policy unless the cancellation is within a 24-hour grace period, or in the case of extraordinary circumstances like illness or bereavement. And that's it, folks. While RyanAir's cancellation policy might not be the most flexible, at least now you know exactly what to do if you find yourself needing to cancel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys.